Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this error in your Windows 10 or 11. So you have encountered this problem, kernel-base.dll errors in your Windows. What you can do first is go to your Windows Start menu. You can right click, choose Device Manager. You can also just click on Start menu, Device Manager. And from here, you would like to locate display adapters and select your GPU. So make sure this is up to date. You can select or right click and then select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now it shows in here that I have already installed the best and updated drivers. You can now close this, go to NVIDIA application or the website itself. So I'm going to look up for NVIDIA app and make sure that everything is up to date. So currently I have in here drivers, and as you can see, I have the studio driver. It even shows in here that another update is available. So if it's something like this, make sure to click on download. It will take a few minutes. Once done, restart your PC, go back in here and confirm that it has already been installed. So do this, make sure that your GPU drivers are updated because most of the time it's just your drivers that are currently outdated. Now, if that still doesn't work, you can do is go here, type CMD and make sure to run this as the admin, all right? From here, you would like to enter these commands, all right? So I'm going to make this bigger, do sfc space slash scan now. So I'm going to enter this. This might take a few minutes, but once done, it will actually tell and show that some files might be missing and corrupted, and Windows will automatically fix those for you. And I will show you what it looks like once this is complete. So it is done. It shows in here that there's actually corrupted files. You may restart your PC, but it is not necessary. You can just close CMD, and once you're back on your screen, everything should now be fixed and good to go. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this fixed on your Windows 10 or 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.